टाइम भी बचाना है बट पॉडकास्ट से सीखना भी है. आप सही चैनल पर आ चुके हो. वेलकम टू TRS क्लिप्स. I think the darkest phase of my life, other than going to jail,
Yeah, about that.
was doing all the horror podcasts, which I've actively stopped doing.
Dude, I was scared to meet you. I was like, ये अपने साथ अगर किसी लेके आया है कहीं से, मैं कहा मुझे नहीं मिलना.
You know, every person that we have on the show, क्योंकि 1.5 घंटे के लिए बातें हो रही है, 2.5 घंटे के लिए बातें हो रही है, कुछ एक लेयर ऑफ एनर्जी रब ऑफ हो जाता है.
हाँ यार, और मैं तो बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ इस सब में. I saw that one video of yours of the Aghori Babas in Banaras.
Yeah.
And I saw that video and I was like, I'm not meeting Ranveer. I don't want to meet him. And this is not against the Babas or anything, okay? I'm just saying that वो इतना मुझे डर लग गया था वो podcast, वो episode देखने के बाद.
Yeah.
मैंने कहा भाई, मैंने कहा तुम थोड़ा सोचो.
I was actively seeking out the occult and I regretted.
Did you
because
have any experiences?
I had so much that I can't even say on
Shut
camera.
up. Why? Give me one. Tell me one.
I'll tell you a very baby level one, okay, which was
I
also
feel
kind of
like-
creepy.
Tell.
Kinda. Okay, so we used to have a producer called Shrutesh.
Okay.
And he was also into the occult. And me and him
The
were...
occult you say means like
Yahi
this
sab.
other
Horror,
world,
हाँ.
like parallel universe
हाँ.
thing. Okay.
You know, darker side of spiritual conversation. तो बहुत सारे घोस्ट हंटर्स आए थे शो पर और उनमें से ना अलग अलग पर्सनैलिटीज़ अलग अलग होते थे. तो उनमें कॉमनैलिटी ये होती थी कि जब वो घर के अंदर आ जाते थे, ऐसा मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि
Energy
वो
shift.
नहीं, वो अकेले तो आ रहे ही नहीं, उनके साथ और कुछ आ रहा है. ये मेरे को हमेशा फील होता था. आई ऑलवेज फील एटलीस्ट कुछ एनर्जी लेयर है, आई डोंट नो. तो और पॉडकास्ट के दौरान भी ना वियर्ड चीज़ें होती थी, लाइक द प्लांट्स वुड मूव एंड लाइक
Shut up.
ओके, ही इज आल्सो बीन देयर फॉर सम.
Brother.
एक में तो AC wouldn't turn on only.
Yeah, like just
Then we had to cancel the thing.
without fail some weird shit would happen. Okay, like we were just used to it at that point. But एक बहुत creepy conversation हुई थी जहाँ वो ghost hunter अपनी scariest कहानी बता रहा था and I started having stomach pain and all that while he was talking because I was like okay, I kind of don't even want to be in this conversation anymore. तो फिर podcast ख़त्म हुआ, ठीक है, और श्रुतेश मेरे पास आके ये बोला कि यार too heavy ना today. I was like yeah. And then I was on that table outside, dining table. I was sitting and I was writing something, okay? I was either texting or writing something, okay? And I had last spoken to Shrutesh and he was like, yeah, heavy, right? I was like, yeah, bro. And I can see from corner of my Shrutesh is still like standing there looking at me, okay? And I was like, why the f*** is my bro looking at me? So then when I look up, actually, there was no one there. And I was like, what the f*** just happened here? And then Shrutesh walks out from the other side. So I'm just like... Okay.
नहीं यार, मैं तो and I also believe in the fact कि I'm not contesting it कि ऐसे कैसे. I'm saying हाँ हो सकता है, मुझे engage नहीं करना.
Yeah,
क्योंकि
yeah. Wise.
like I would hate it if I'm living my life and someone keeps trying to poke me in my
Yeah.
everyday life. I'll be like, तेरा problem क्या है? Let me live ना. Like I'm not interrupting with your universe or whatever.
Yeah.
So I feel like अगर कभी कभी ऐसे कभी हो जाता है ना कि एक एनर्जी फील होती है कि ऐसे अजीब सा कुछ हुआ या समथिंग्स वाचिंग मी और समवन्स अराउंड, मैं तो बस बोलती थी ऐसे whoever you are, I mean no harm. I'm doing my thing. You can do your thing. And I do not want to interrupt. I'll say that all the time. And then usually then that feeling goes away.
Yeah. You know, you've got a very strong gut instinct which you've used in your career, obviously.
Yeah.
I think that's one of your strengths in life, but
Yeah, because brain and heart doesn't work as well. So I go with the gut.
that's humility. But but so same here. I think anyone in media who has achieved anything has a
Yeah.
very strong gut instinct. But I think a good gut instinct is the precursor to psychic abilities. And if you have that precursor, you sense energies around you better. And I see this with so many artists who are on the show, who are also working out of gut instinct and all. Like अगर आप चाहो तो कुछ meditation practices के साथ ना आपका psychic.
नहीं, मैं नहीं चाहती.
Okay, just saying.
दिस इज़ माई पॉइंट. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मैं बड़ी खुश हूँ मैं जहाँ पे हूँ और जैसे चल रहा है मेरा दिमाग वैसा चलता रहे. भगवान जी बस ऐसा ही चलता रहे and everything will be fine. I know I'll figure it out. Like even right now there are days when I'm more often now that I'm overwhelmed because there's a lot of moving pieces in my life where a lot has changed in the last 1 year and it continues to change, and I'm learning, making mistakes, learning those lessons. I think one of the biggest things I have learned is for asking for what I want. For the longest time, I didn't have the guts to say that.
What do you want?
Anything I want in a conversation, just the guts to say no.
This is how I see it.
This is what I want. I never had it. And I think I've learned it the hard way in the last 1 year, that I need to kind of gently demand things. Otherwise, everyone's gonna take you for a ride. I've also learned that somehow everyone's first impression of me is that, oh, I don't think she's that smart.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Thank you for consuming this clip, दोस्तों. अगर ऐसे ही और clips explore करने हैं तो इस channel के playlists को ज़रूर explore करना.